always been into fabric ever since I can remember. I was making little things. My mom was a sewer, and so maybe that's why there was a lot of fabric around, or, you know, that I wanted to experiment with. I started making my own clothes when I was in junior high and then in high school. And when I first started, I would kind of be afraid to wear something. And when somebody would ask me if I had made it, I would lie and say I'd gotten it at the store. My designs now are definitely more bold. I combine fabrics that I never would have put together before, and I use a lot of bright colors because I want it to be eye-catching.